Make sure you take advantage of the holiday sale going on right now on NayasValley.com. Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you what my wash day looks like from shampooing to my hydration routine. And I'll be using all of my products handmade from my brand Nayas Valley. If you watched my previous video on how I shampoo my locks and doing my hair tea, it's going to be similar for the washing. I am going to be washing 2 times through. The first time is really just to get any product buildup out, and then the second time is to really focus on the scalp and getting any left behind residue out of my locks. So I'll be using my Serene shampoo. Y'all, I love this stuff so much. A little goes a long way, and it smells amazing. If you are into a holistic approach to your lock routine or your natural hair routine or just your hair routine in general, this is a really, really great product to start with. My whole bathroom right now, I can already smell it just by watching this bag. It just smells so good. It smells like lemongrass and tea tree, and it just smells so good. I love wash days because my entire bathroom and almost my bedroom into bathroom just smells so good. So it's kind of like that spa experience. So this bathtub doesn't have the shower head attachment, so this is a little bit of a longer process, but honestly I do like to take my time for my wash days anyway. So I'm using my wash bowl, which is a game changer if you have long locks, y'all. If you have long locks, get you a wash bowl, okay? So I love to dip my locks in there, add the shampoo as I need to, and that way I can really see what my locks are needing, and I can massage and spend some personal time. It's a nice sensory experience, honestly, and it takes a lot of pressure off of the weight of long locks. Always wash your locks at least 2 times through, just to make sure that you are getting that dirt and grime out of your locks, and just ensuring that your product buildup is not going to affect the health of your locks. Okay, so 2 times through minimum. Okay. If you don't know, I've been locked for 14 years, and it's just effortless at this point. I just know what my locks need. And at the end of shampooing, I just gently squeeze the excess water out of my locks. It's really amazing to see how long I've been locking, what they've meant to me in this journey, and just making sure that I just, staying on top of that care routine. So now I'm using the Hydration Hair Mist, and if you know, okay, this is my best seller. It is an aloe-based moisturizing spray. So a lot of people, can struggle with maintaining the moisture barrier in their locks and just in hair in general, but this is really, really lightweight, but it will keep your locks nice and supple, and has a beautiful lingering scent of lemongrass. That's my favorite thing. And so I just disperse it throughout my entire head. I make sure that I am getting my scalp and giving it a nice massage. If you do struggle with some dry scalp, honestly, this is the product that you're going to be wanting to use. And you can use this on the daily, honestly. You can spritz your hair, just for a nice little revive. I go through quite a bit of this, honestly. I really do. honestly, less is more when it comes to a lock hair routine. This isn't something that I do every day. You know, I don't use every single product every single day. So right now I'm using the stimulating hair drops. The highlighted ingredient in this product is nettle. And if you know anything about nettle, it's really great for promoting hair growth and strengthening your hair follicles. So this is the product that I go to after I have maybe been retwisting a little bit more often or doing more styles. So, you know, if there's any tension at the root, I go in with this product because it helps to stimulate that hair growth again. And so this has revived some of my edges, okay, throughout the years, all right? Like, shout out. And yeah, so I just use a little bit of that, and then I go in with my Botanical Hair Oil, and this is going to be your multi-purpose oil, really. I mean, you can use this on your skin if you want to, but it's jam-packed with so many different herbs. But I just like to really disperse this throughout my entire head, okay? So it's really, really lightweight. I use this oil when I want to do a hot oil routine. So this has been holding me down since the beginning of like my early days of when I started making products. Okay, so she's the OG. If you ever wanted to try anything, it's really gonna be this product. So now I'm just running my fingers through my locks, just making sure that the oil is, you know, covering the shaft. I'm not overdoing it. I don't think that, you know, you need a whole lot of oil to be on, you know, just sitting on your locks, but a little bit is okay. And then I'm just putting it up, y'all. I'm putting it up. Yeah, that's a bun for real, y'all. That's a bun for real. And that's it. That's it. It's cute. It's fun. You can shop at NiasValley.com. Keep it cute. Keep it sensual. Love y'all.